Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kzyne, and for today's video we are going to be unboxing something I've never unboxed before. This is from Kimmy Luxe dolls. So it came in a pink packaging with hearts and it's so cute. If you guys don't know, I love pink. I love pink. I love anything that's Barbie related, princess, glittery, fun stuff like that. So when I found out about this, I was so excited. This is basically a monthly thing, but it's not a subscription. So you order it when you want. It's not automatic, which kind of sucks if you like it because it sells out right away. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Also, I filmed a tutorial on this look, so if you guys like this look, I will post a link below. Hopefully you guys like it. Okay, so I actually ordered this June 1st, so this is the June box, but it didn't arrive until first week of July. It took so long, but I do understand that COVID situation, so that's the only downside. It's so well protected. Like, does she want me to open this or no? Kimmy, do you? Do you want me to open this? Here it is. I'm seeing the iconic pink box. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm so excited. I really have it. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever been so excited with a makeup, well, with a subscription. It says Kimmy Luxe Dolls Girly box. And then on the side it says pink delivery for a very special girl. And then same on the other side. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm so excited. So yeah, like I said, this is a monthly thing. She does have 3 prices for these. So this is from the website Kimmy Luxe Dolls. It looks like this. It's very girly. So this is a personal shopping. Free shipping on all domestic orders. Spend $100 and up for complimentary international shipping. So look at her. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. So girly box comes in 3. Yeah, so the classic is $20. The luxe is $50. That's what I got because this is my first time. I was like, okay, let's go in the middle because I don't want to go too small and want more, or too big and be disappointed. I know I'm not gonna be disappointed, but I just want to be like in between. So classic is $20, luxe is $50, and then the ultra luxe is $100. But yeah, let's open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, also another thing about this is no box is the same. So it's personalized. Everything is based on like, so there's a survey that looks like this, and then you answer, and then she will shop for you based on your answers. So whatever I have in my box, you might not get it, and whatever you have in your box, I might not get it because it is personalized. So that's what makes me excited, because even if I've seen spoilers from other people who bought it, I'm not gonna be like, oh, you know, because what she has I might not have. Okay, but I've been talking too much. Let's open it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually opening one of these because I've been watching. Okay, so I don't know what to do, but I'm not gonna look yet. But on the box it says, Dear Luxe Doll, thank you for Ella. Oh my god, it smells so good. What the hell? That's so crazy. It's that personal. She actually sprayed hers. Oh my god, I can't believe. Okay, I'm getting too excited. So it says, Dear Luxe doll, thank you for allowing me to be your personal shopper. I hope you love the items I picked up for you this month. I hope to shop for you again next month. Remember, you are fabulous. Always blonde, Kimmy. Oh my god, that's so fucking cute. Okay, so my battery died, but let's continue. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. It's so weird. Like, this is the only box that I've opened with the scent. Okay, so it comes with this card. It says all about your girly box. It's so cute. It's like well thought of. So it came with this card. In the front it has the different types of boxes that they have, also the themes, and in the back is what's inside my box. I'm not gonna read it yet because I want to be surprised. So let's put that aside and let's pick the first item. Okay, so this is the first item. I feel like I already know what this is. This is a phone case. I think I've seen it on her page a lot. So it says, Dear Luxe doll, thank you for purchasing a phone case from my luxury phone case collection. Please read the love note inside to learn how to keep her looking her best. So this is a Chanel inspired phone case for my iPhone 10. So in the survey thing, there's a place where you put the type of phone that you have, I guess, for her to know what phone case she could put, if she will put it in your box. And then it came with a card. I'm so happy. Let's use this. Oh my goodness. So cute. And then you can use this to hold your phone. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love this. So that's what it looks like. And then next, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a passport cover. Perfect. I don't have a passport cover, so this is perfect. Oh my god, it looks just like what I'm wearing. It's so cute. And then next, we have a Trident gum, also in pink. This is a bubble gum, 14 sticks. It's so cute. Okay, and this is a little heavy. It's a palette. Oh my goodness. It's the pure ex-Barbie endless possibility. Oh my god. That's what I'm wearing. It's so cute. I cannot. Oh my god. Look at the details. Damn. So these are the shapes. This is so cute. Wow, I'm so impressed. So I did put that I do YouTube makeup videos. I guess that's why she put a makeup palette in it. I've never seen a makeup palette in her other customers that are buying boxes from her, so this is a shock to me. Okay, and then I think this is the last one. And I know what this is because she did say that every June box will receive this. So this is the Dreaming of Chanel pillowcase set. Oh my god. It smells so good. So this is satin and oh, it's so cute. Kimmy. You're so sweet. And every box comes with this burn after reading. So it's something personal. You're supposed to burn after reading. So that's everything. Okay, now let's see. Let's now read this. It says Dreaming pillow set is $60. So that one itself is over how much you paid for. And then the Barbie quilted case is $65. This one. Pink passport is $10. And then the Barbie palette is $33. So the total overall retail value is $168, but I only paid $50. I will definitely recommend this, and I will definitely order again. So look forward to the next video about this because I will surely order again. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I can't believe the details she put in this box. So yeah, that's it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Wow, I'm so impressed. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Oh my god, I love everything so much, and like I said, I will definitely recommend it. I will leave a link below on where you can purchase it. Definitely a must. And yeah, see you guys on my next video. Enjoy the bloopers. It usually sells out runaway. Also, if you like this look, oh, hold on, sorry. Andun na kayo? Oh my god. Oops. Oh my god.